Hello children, once again I am here to teach you English literature and I hope you have enjoyed your Independence Day. I have seen some of your performances. They were very good and keep it up like this only. So now let's get started with our English literature. We have started lesson number 7. So take out your book and take out lesson number 7. Page number 64. Page number 64. Storyteller. The village gave them these and gathered around to watch. Soon a fire was lit and the pot placed on it. Now, in the last what we have studied that the villagers were not giving them food. So they asked some pots to give them. So they have given them and they were gathered there to watch what they are doing. Soon a fire was lit and pot placed on it. Now they have lit the fire and they have put the pot on that. Benny, put the stones in the water. All we need now is salt. Now what they are putting? They are putting stones in the water. In the pot they have put the water and the stones. All we need now is salt. Now they need salt to put in. Woman 2, I will get salt and some pepper too. Now the woman 2 is telling, I will get you some salt and pepper also. She brings the salt and pepper. Ivan, putting in salt and pepper and tasting some. Tasty. Now what Ivan is saying that when he has put that salt and pepper in it and then little bit he is tasting. So he is telling, it's very tasty. Leo, it would be tastier with a few carrots. Now Leo is telling if we get some carrots then it will be more tastier. Benny continues and some cabbage. Now Benny is saying and also some cabbage also should be there. Man 3, I have got some carrots. Now the man 3 is telling that I have got some carrots. Woman 3, and I some cabbage. Now the woman 3 is telling and I am also having some cabbage. Let us get it. Now they are giving little things to them. They go off and return with the vegetables. They went and see this lady has come up with the vegetables. Leo, put in the vegetable a few scrap of meat would make the soup fit for a king. Now what he is telling, Leo is telling, put in the vegetables. Now he is telling that put the vegetables in this. A few scraps of meat would make the soup fit for a king. Now he is telling that few scraps, small pieces of meat will be good for the soup and fit for a king. Woman 3, meat, I will get some. Now the woman 3 is ready to give she has given already the vegetables. Now she is ready to give the meat also. So she is telling, I will get some. You can see here in the story. You can see here in the picture. The woman, the men are standing there and here the thing is preparing and the 3 soldiers are there. Now turn the page. Woman 3 goes off and returns with the meat. Now she is going and she went off and she returned back with the meat. Ivan, stirring the meat in. Soup will be ready in few minutes. Benny spread the rug. Now what he's telling, Ivan is telling that he has put dropped the meat into the soup and he is stirring it. Like this we stir. Soup will be ready in few minutes. Benny spread the rug. Now Benny spreads a colorful blanket on the ground. Now see here that Benny, he is telling that Benny put a See, the colorful blanket, they have spread it over the ground to sit. Then, next, Benny, time to eat, folks. Get some balls. Now, Benny is telling, now it's the time to eat. Get some bowls. Man 2, I'll bring them. Now the man 2 is telling, I will bring them. He goes off and return with the balls and bowls and the spoons. Now the man 2 is also helping and giving them some bowls and the spoons. Ivan, if only we had some bread to go with it. Now Ivan is telling, if we will have some bread to go with it. Man 3, I have some bread just right for soup. Now the man 3 is telling, I have some bread. So he goes off and return with a basket of bread. Now that man 3 has went away to take the bread, and when he returned, he returned with a basket full of bread. Storyteller, soon everyone was happily eating. From now, no one would go hungry. They had learned how to make stone soup. Now here the storyteller is telling that soon everyone was happily eating. They were happily eating and no one would go hungry. They had learned how to make stone soup. What they have learned? They have learned how to make the stone soup. So this was a story that was about a stone soup. So here we have finished off with the story. In the next video, I'll be giving you the exercises and the question answers. Till then, please read the story and revise it. And then in the next video, we'll start with the exercise part. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.